Hi friends, no need to do division like that. You can just write down your answer like that within 3 seconds. Now let's see how. So let's understand this trick with easier example. First of all, here we can see 96. 96, let's break it or partition it into the easy numbers. For example, can we write it as 90 plus 6, right? Why I have written 90? Because 90 is divisible by 3 and 6 is also divisible by 3. Now let's divide them separately. So 90 divided by 3 and 6 divided by 3. So that is 90 divided by 3 is 30. You can easily do in your mind. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So 30 plus 2 is 32. Very easy. So this is the next question. Let's just see. 6 times 2 is 12, right? So 6 times 20 is 120, right? So let's just break 126 as 120 plus 6. Here both 120 and 6 are divisible by 6. Now just divide by 6 separately. 120 divided by 6 is 20 and 6 divided by 6 is 1. So 20 plus 1 is 21. No need to write this step. This thing you will do in your mind. 120 divided by 6 is 20. 6 divided by 6 is 1. So 20 plus 1 is 21. You will directly write down your answer like that, right? So this is the next question. Here first of all, let's see that how to divide 448 into two numbers that are divisible by 7. So 7 times 6 is 42. So, right? So we know that 420 is divisible by 7, right? Now 420 we have already written. So what left? 420 plus 28 is 448. Okay. So both the numbers we can see is divisible by 7. Now just divide both by 7. So 420 by 7 is 60 and 28 by 7 is 4. So 60 plus 4, the answer is 64. Right? Can we divide this 448 to the other numbers except 420 and 28? So the answer is yes. You can divide it into any numbers, but 420 we can clearly see it's divisible by 7. So let's just divide in such a way it's easy for us. So this is the next question. 392 divided by 8. Here we just see 392. Let's just break. Okay, first see that 39 is here. So 8 times 4 is 32, right? So can we break it as 32 like 320, right? Now what left? Plus 72. Why 320? Because we know that 32 is divisible by 8. So 320 will also be divisible by 8, right? It's easiest to break like that. Now just divide by 8 both sides. So just do it in your mind. 320 divided by 8 is 40 and 72 divided by 8 is 9. So 40 plus 9 is 49. So this is the final answer. Here there is other way of doing this question as well. For example, 392. 8 times 5 is 40. Okay. So can we just write it as 400? Now 392 we need to take away 8. So 400 take away 8. Now 400 divided by 8 is 50 and 8 divided by 8 is 1. So 50 take away 1 is 49. Okay. So both of them are correct. You can break in either way. So this is the question we have started with. So let's just rub this first. So here we need to see 936 how to break. So we should be comfortable with the times 12 times table, right? So 12 times 8 is 96. So we can break it as 960. Okay. Now 960 take away which number is 936. So here we can see 60 take away 24 is 36, right? If you're not comfortable in such section, you can watch our previous videos where we have explained this concept. Now divide both number by 12. Okay, so 960 divided by 12 is 80 and 24 divided by 12 is 2. So 80 take away 2, that is 78. With little bit of practice you can just solve this in your mind within 3 seconds. So this question is for you. Solve this division by this method and write down your answer in the comment box. If you are looking for any help of one-to-one session, you can just drop your message on this email ID. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please like, share and subscribe for more such videos. Bye.